I speak that why am I speaking English ambiguous? Firstly, I'm gonna speak what is mean of ambiguous. Ambiguous means is first. Yes, now I'm gonna speak that why am I speaking ambiguous English? Because I'm not speaking right now I'm not speaking ambiguous. Yeah, I don't speak ambiguous English. But when someone watch my videos after that, someone speak like that what are you speaking that I'm not getting your word that I'm not getting your word. Yeah, I don't understand your word that what are you speaking. But I when I speak here that firstly you should clean your ear, okay, because whatever I am speaking it is a part of English, whatever with because without English without English knowledge I cannot speak here. And that I am not speaking ambiguous, and I cannot speak ambiguous because it is most important. If you have knowledge, so if you have knowledge, so after that you will speak lips and bounce English, and without knowledge you cannot speak lips and bounce English. Yes, so yeah, here I when I speak one line that don't judge me that I am speaking ambiguous. Yeah, I accustomed to speak ambiguous. Yes, I when I speak that, yeah, some one two word I will speak lips and bounce English. So after that you will not you don't understand my voice. So after that you speak that she speaks like ambiguous. Yeah, I when I speak here that yeah, whatever I have knowledge, without knowledge I cannot speak less and bounce English. And without getting knowledge, I cannot explain in front of you that it is a this, it is a that. Why should I speak English, why should I not speak English, why should learn this language? Because I have something experience. That's why I accustomed to share my experience that you should do, yeah, you should do that type. Yeah, now I'm gonna now I'm gonna speak something that you can feel that right now I'm speaking and bouncing this. That's why you are not getting my word. And after that you are accustomed to speak that you are speaking like ambiguous. Yeah, I know that you are not getting my word. So after that you should speak you can speak this type of word that your word is not your word is like ambiguous. Yeah, so you can speak. But I when I speak that, firstly you should clean your ear. Yeah, you should focus over the English grammatically. So after that when you will understand by degree. So after that you will not speak a single word like you're speaking style like ambiguous. Okay, so now so now I when I speak one word that, firstly you should listen proper that what am I speaking. So you should watch one turn, two turn, three turn, for the sake of listening that for the sake of listening that what am I speaking, because it is most important if you wanna learn this language. Because here I cannot speak here, you know very well that it is a social media. When I will speak something wrong, so you know that one two video will be something viral. So after that I will be stuck and I will be disturbed, and that I will get this point.